Hello everyone, Carl here from Frankine MG. Hope you are keeping well. Just wanted to give you a quick look at our new lineup in our Ballymount showroom. Right now we have a fleet of MG ZS EV exclusives, one in each factory colour available. This includes Dynamic Red, Black Pearl, Sky Blue and Arctic White. Of course, joining this you also have the halogen projection headlights with LED DRLs, 17-inch diamond cut EV alloys and silver roof rails. Being the exclusive spec, you also get a black leather interior with contrast white stitching, leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, 8-inch colour touchscreen infotainment system which controls all your media, MG Pilot, sat nav and rear view camera. Below this are the controls for aircon and heated seats. Finally, on the bottom you have the rotary gear selector. For more information on the ZS, you can visit our website at www.frankinemg.ie or call us on 01 963 3258. Let us know in the comments below what colour you would choose. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.